Hey, Bluey, check out this glowing metal box. It was not here before. Wow. It is a high-tech robotic kitty. Look at its shiny metal paws.
Let us see what this power button does. System online.
Whoa! That is a very loud electronic meow.
Look at it go! Wow! Wow! It has turbo rockets inside its robotic paws. So cool!
Come here, you super fast metallic menace!
Maybe it wants a delicious bowl of digital milk?
Nope. I guess cyborgs do not drink regular dairy.
This is a full-blown cyborg invasion in our own house. Watch out! It just knocked over the magic potion bottle. Oh no, that magic drop landed right on a little bug.
Brace yourselves!
We have a massive fluff monster.
Would you like some more imaginary tea, Mrs. Fluff Spider?
Step aside, citizens! The legendary spider hunter has arrived!
Dad, wait! It is not a dangerous monster.
Eat dust, spider! Come back here, you incredibly soft menace! Hold still!
This is the funniest hunting mission I have ever seen. Okay, fine. The fluffy beast wins this round.
We still need to shrink her back to normal size. Time to go to sleep, Mrs. Spider. Back to normal size. Operation Shrink is a complete success. Woohoo! We did it! Bye-bye. Have a great time under the couch.
Another living room successfully defended by the Master Hunter.
And the cyborg invasion is finally out of power. You need a serious recharge, little metal friend. All the magical items are safely locked away for the night. No more giant surprises or running robots today.
Absolutely! No magic spiders or robotic felines in this book.
Join our Master Hunter crew for more amazing stories. There goes our high-speed metallic friend again. Goodbye. Have a fantastic and wonderful day. I know exactly what to do. Let us play The Floor is Lava. Wait a minute! Why is the floor actually turning spicy? And glowing! It is getting super hot in here. We need to reach the safe zone. It is getting super hot in here. We need to reach the safe zone.
You're right, come on!
Faster, the floor is getting hotter. Use the cushions as stepping stones. Prepare for extreme parkour. Aha! Parkour! First jump is completely successful. Yeah! Parkour. First jump is completely successful. Whoa, steady! These floating islands are extremely slippery.
Has anyone seen my favorite reading glasses today? Ouch!
Why is the carpet incredibly spicy this morning? My beautiful tail! Everything is burning! Safe base!
Incoming! Make way for the flying heavy cargo.
Incoming! Make way for the flying heavy cargo!
I am going to grab them all. They look so incredibly bouncy. Hey! My feet are not touching the ground anymore. I am flying.
Bingo, let go of the strings!
Bingo!
You are floating away.
I can't.
Please let go.
This is amazing. Our house looks like a tiny toy model from up here.
Come back down. My arms are completely out of reach.
Why?
Come back down! My arms are completely out of reach.
Do not worry. The rescue drone is launching right now. Bullseye. Good shot with the drone. I am finally coming back down to Earth. Prepare the landing zone. Right on time. Welcome back.
Mission fully accomplished.
Let us strictly use the slide from now on.
Agreed.
These floating hazards are staying securely tied to this heavy chair.
Woohoo!
All right.
I think it is definitely time for some delicious cake.
I love this kitchen. It's so warm. Me too. It's perfect. This chocolate cake is exactly what a lava survivor needs. Yum! No more magic today. Just perfectly normal, delicious snacks. Stay awesome, stay grounded, and keep exploring. There goes our trusty rescue drone, securing the snacks.